Hi my loves, what's up and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Mal, and if you're not new, then hey, welcome back. So today we are going to do a beginner's video for contacts. This is perfect for those of you who are out there and you want to get into wearing colored contacts, but you don't know where to begin. I have 5 pairs of contacts to model for you guys and show you the best colors for beginners and the best kind of contacts for beginners, which would be the daily lenses. I'll talk more about why I love these for a beginner and what my favorite is in the video, so let's get right into it. I actually do have contacts in right now. I'm wearing the Bella Elite Wild Honey from Lens.me. I love these contact lenses. They are gorgeous, but I need to show you guys what my real eyes look like. So let me just take these out, come a little closer just so I can show you. I have deep dark brown eyes. They're kind of like a chocolatey brown, and I love to change my eye color and just play around and enhance my looks. It's all for fun. Okay, so you guys, the reason that I love a daily contact lens for someone who's new to contacts is because it is so comfortable. You literally feel like you're not really wearing anything in your eyes, and personally, I love the Aquarella color contacts from Solotica. These are their daily line, and you get 5 pairs. This is how they come. I have prescription in mine because I am blind as a bat, so you can get these with or without prescription, whatever you prefer. Let's pop in this Cyan blue and show you guys the color. A little pro tip, what I like to do is of course have fresh, clean hands, and I like to put the contact lens on my finger just kind of like so I can see which direction the contact is sitting. It should look like a perfect half circle, and the edges shouldn't be flipped outwards at all. I take a little drop of solution and I like to put that in the lens and then just pop the contact into my eye. And then I kind of like blink around a bit as you let the contact adjust and find its place that it's supposed to be on your eye. Yeah, it feels good. I am someone who's kind of iffy when it comes to blue contacts. I love how they look, but I always feel like they are so bold in person. That being said, this color you can definitely get away with if you have a dark eye. I actually think it's perfect because it has a lot of really nice marbling in the lens that allows a little bit of your eye to peek through, just kind of in those spaces. So it's giving your eye some dimension. Personally, I love this color, and I think this is the right kind of blue. It's not too icy and it's not too bright. Moving on, let's try a sea green and see what they look like. I have worn these many times before. I absolutely love this shade. This is such a beautiful, natural looking green. If you want a green contact that just subtly enhances your brown eyes, I think this would be an absolutely perfect shade. They just have some really gorgeous details in the lenses that leave space for your natural eyes to peek through, which is why the dimension in these contacts looks so stunning and so realistic. I honestly don't think anyone would be able to tell that you're wearing a contact lens when you wear a color like this, and it's also because of how the pupil hole is diffused. You want it to be sort of like a gradient fading from the space where your natural eye is peeking through. Again, that's another thing that I love about this particular pair, and really with all of the dailies. They have a gorgeous diffused pupil that looks very soft, and it just makes the eyes look so natural. Moving on, I have golden ochre in this side, and you guys, this color, it is so beautiful. So here is both of the golden ochre lenses. I am just so in love with this color. It's such a beautiful, soft, kind of caramel brown. The detailing in this lens is very similar to sea green with that gorgeous definition and soft pupil hole. So it makes it a great choice for somebody who wants a soft, subtle enhancement to the eye. I think that these are just such a good option if you want a small enhancement to the eyes that makes a big impact. Now, another pro tip for someone who's getting just into wearing contacts is to make sure that you're putting contacts in when you are well rested. If you are tired and you haven't gotten a lot of sleep, that means that your eyes are also tired, and your eyes will most likely be very dry, and trust me, it's going to be so hard to wear contacts that day. So I would say definitely skip the contacts if you are extremely tired, and only wear them when you're feeling fresh and refreshed, because otherwise any contact that you put in your eye is going to be super irritating. Next, we're going to try Sepia Gray. Here is Sepia Gray in one eye. This is such a stunning color. I feel like, especially with the way that my makeup looks today, I just love this shade. This is a beautiful icy bright gray. I think it looks absolutely stunning on my natural brown eyes. I personally would wear this color. The detailing in this lens is just enough to allow some of the natural eye color to peek through, which I think looks very natural. And I think that these look believable, honestly. I'm looking in the mirror here and I don't think anyone could tell me that these are not my real eyes. What do you guys think? Do you like a gray contact on me, or are you more in favor of the greens and browns? Okay, one last pair to try for you guys. This is Sienna Brown, and these are one of my favorites for sure. They actually look like more of a soft hazel. They're so pretty and just so natural. I mean, they give you just a twinkle to the eye. I think they're perfect, and I can only imagine how beautiful they would look if you had darker eyes than me. They're a contact that I reach for on a daily basis, no matter what I'm doing, whether it's a no makeup day or a full glam day. I feel like these contacts can definitely suit my look, and I love how natural they appear. What I love about the dailies for beginners is that you can just put them in and take them out, and you don't have to worry about keeping them in cases or keeping them sanitary or cleaning them or any of that nonsense that can sometimes be overwhelming. So I love the dailies for this reason. I think they are the most comfortable contacts to go with, and personally I love the style of the Solotica lenses the most, so that's why I'm recommending them. If you would like to get a discount, you can use my promotional code, which is MALRIE. I'll leave it in the description bar down below. It will actually save you 10% off your entire purchase. Last couple tips that I wanted to give any beginners for contact lenses out there is to, one, please make sure you have clean hands when you're going to put your contacts in. That's the biggest thing I can say. Make sure you use a towel to dry your hands that doesn't leave lint on your hands, because then you'll end up putting that lint in your eyes, which can get uncomfortable. And don't worry if you're a little bit uncomfortable with putting contacts in the beginning. Trust me, I was too, but after years of wearing contacts, I feel like I'm a pro now. I can do it in the dark, I can do it in my sleep. It doesn't bother me at all. So you will build up your resistance to get comfortable with putting contact lenses in. What makes the biggest difference is to wear a comfortable contact, and of course you want to go with something that's FDA approved and safe for your eyes, and so that's why I'm recommending Solotica. Now I have a bunch of other playlists on my channel as well, showing different styles of contacts, different colors, so check out my contact playlist on the screen over here or over here, wherever it is. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye! Oh, and really quickly, if you like this makeup look, I did a get ready with me video. I will link it down below so you can see exactly what I used to get this bomb look, which I really don't want to take off because honestly my makeup has not looked this good in months.